The next problem. This is the last problem. After this, I will start photoelectric effect. Okay.
Okay, sir.
The momentum of a photon of energy 1 mega electron volt in kilogram meter per second. How to do this question? Any idea? Momentum. So let us write the formula. Momentum. Let us write the formula involving momentum. There are various ways to do this question. Momentum of photon of energy 1 mega electron volt. Okay. Look here. One formula involving momentum will be lambda equal to s by p. Clear?
Mm.
I want one formula that involves momentum. Okay. Okay. So it's about photon having energy 1 mega electron volt in kilogram meter per second. Okay. So cross multiplication gives lambda p equal to h. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Or p equal to s by lambda. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So in this way I can find out momentum of the photon. Momentum of the photon equal to s by lambda. H is a constant but lambda is not given in the question. Correct?
Mm.
So I want to remove lambda from this formula. So in various ways I can remove lambda from this formula. One is, you know that lambda into mu equal to c. Correct? Lambda
Mm.
into mu equal to c. You have
Equal to
already
C.
studied. My objective is I want to remove lambda by some way or other. I want to remove lambda. So this lambda can be written as c by mu.
C
Correct?
by mu.
Okay.
Uh,
C by mu, because I know lambda is not given in the question, so I want to remove lambda. So h by c by mu, correct?
mm.
I got h into mu divided by c, correct? I mean taking
Yes, sir.
reciprocal. But still mu is not given in the question, correct?
Mm.
But don't worry, h mu is familiar to us, correct? Numerator h mu is familiar to us.
E by C.
H mu is the energy of the photon, correct?
Yes,
Divided
sir.
by c. So momentum is equal to E by c, correct?
Mm.
E by c. Okay. So energy divided by c gives you the momentum, correct?
Mm.
Energy is given as 1 mega electron volt, correct?
Yes, sir.
1 mega. Mega 1 into, what is this mega?
10 power 6, sir.
10 raised to 6. Electron volt. What is the electron volt?
1.6 into 10 power minus 19.
Yes. We have to write the energy as the
Charge of
joule. Okay.
electron.
Okay. Joules. Okay. The joule is the standard unit. So C is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second.
8.
Okay. Then what is the answer then? 1 minute. Approximately 5 into, I think 5 into 10 raised to minus 24. Correct? 1 minute. 6 minus 19 minus 7 minus 15. Is there any calculation mistake? Minus 13 minus 8.
So 1.
1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Just a minute. Okay.
Mm.
Yes, this is correct. No mistake at all. 5
Mm.
into 10 raised to minus 22 you will get. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This step is correct. No mistake at all.
Option C.
Option C is the correct answer. Okay, clear to you?
Okay, sir.